Hello and welcome to Driving an EV in UK. We are, as you see, charging. We weren't empty, we were 54%, and if you just heard that click, we're now at 94. 13.2 kilowatts and 26 minutes. So, 26 minutes to charge up. As you take it, I don't take the car to empty. I fill up whenever I come past a charger and I need anything put in. If I'm going to stop, I might as well just connect. What's the point? So to get the car to unlock, and I will just take the cable back out. This is like Spaghetti Junction down here. So 13.2. Take my covers off the little dangly bit and connect them back to the car with one hand. Always the easiest task. So I actually came because I was going to the workshop and my car's just locked its doors, but I had to come here. This charger, when you connect to it, actually just says you have to wait until power's available. Even though nobody else is on, you have to. It waits for like 20-30 seconds, then it goes through the procedure to start up. Knock the gear things. So we'll just get down our mileage and we'll get on to go into the Blyth workshops and we'll show you why I went there but couldn't get a charge. So, see you in a sec. Okay, we are now at Blyth workshops, which is what this is behind me, and the charger which we use a lot looks a little different than normal. As you see, it did sit here, and underneath this cone will be the cables for it, but I came 3 weeks ago to this spot to charge up and it was gone. I was here not long before that. Was it a week or two? It'll be down in my little notebook. But I came and it was here because I used it. So what do we have to say about this? Now, the charger was there, now it's not. There was no notice put on the charger saying the charger was being replaced or it wasn't going to be here anymore. Nothing. You know, if you're going to take a charger away and not put another one, then you should put a sign up saying this is no longer an EV charging location. But no, we didn't do that. Second thing is that even taking it away, we're going to get a new one. If we're going to get a new one, when? Because people will just stop coming here, or people will come here with very little charge to get a charge and find it in here. So that isn't good, you know. You don't go to a petrol station to find that they've took all the pumps out. So why should we have to put up with having them take away a charger? It's not like there isn't a lamppost right beside it to stick something on and say, look, new charger will be here on this date, fitted. Now, we know they've been taking chargers out and replacing, because they replaced the one at Ponteland. And that was, actually that one had a little more. That one actually had fence around it and the cones there. So, but no date when it was coming. So if you're going to take a charger away, you should at least give some idea of how long it's going to be until the new charger goes in its place. Now, the longer it's away, the deterioration on the cable or the chance that the cables could get damaged. So really, if you take one away, you should put the one in place that you're going to put in. Because then you have to do 2 trips, one to take away the old one and one to come and put the new one in. Why would you do that? That's quite stupid, you know. But as we say, one charger. If there was more than one charger and taking one away, then you at least have something to fall back on. Right here, there's nothing to fall back on, other than the charger in Blyth shopping car park is only between 1/2 and 1 mile away in that direction. And you don't know what direction that is, but it's really close by. So at least you have one nearby to go to, as long as there's no one on it. And as you see, I've just been to it, so there was no one on it. But why do we have to have this? Why do we have to have them take away chargers and not tell us, not put any signs up, not give any indication when a new charger's coming or if a new charger's coming and what it will be? You know, they can give you all of that. You know, they could even just have a website and say, well, look, here's the website thing, check out. And instead of putting a note up, just put a thing and find out more details about this charger at this website, and that's it. But that's it. No charger. So we'll keep an eye out and see what turns up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.